On August 31st, 2024, Deputy Sheriff Joe Peterson with the Seminole County Sheriff's Office observed a white 2018 Nissan Sentra with its reverse lights illuminated in the parking lot behind 1442 State Road 436 in Casselberry. He made contact with the driver, who was later identified as Kelly.
I am Deputy Peterson. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
But I noticed you were kind of parked weird and stuff.
Oh, my brother.
Who is it?
My brother.
Nice.
That's why I never left.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, don't call anyone yet. Do you have your license on you?
Hold on. They stopped me, so give me a second.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And do you have, is it your car?
Yep.
Do you have the registration and insurance? Alright.
Well, first off, it's my mom's.
It's your mom's car?
Yeah.
You said it was yours. Isn't it?
My mom
it's
does
your
the same
mom.
thing shit. Is the same, yeah.
I see.
Mm-hmm.
Is your current address still... Do you have a good phone number?
Same thing.
What's your phone number? I think that's one too many numbers. Can you say it slower? And then what? Okay. So it's one too many numbers. But that's alright.
Nope,
do you have
it's
any
not.
weapons
Bullshit.
in the car?
Nope.
Okay. Now, did you hit something? We noticed some damage up here. Oh no.
Both tires flat.
Oh, I see. And some grass. Did you go off the road somewhere?
Nope.
How did the tires get flat? And you have grass?
Because I've been here.
Because you've been here? Where were you coming from before here? Temple.
I haven't worked this in a minute, so yeah.
Say again? You said what?
I've been working here since last minute.
Since a minute? Where? Okay, so where were you going to?
So I used to work at Dancers. I used to work at now. Then who I am.
Yeah. Okay, so where were you coming from and where were you going to?
Home.
You were going home. So where were you coming from?
Home.
Coming from home. So where were you going to?
To my brother's. He told me to go home.
So you're coming from... I see.
To my brother's, and he didn't understand that because he's on the phone right now.
I see.
Yeah, my brother's.
Alright, well here's what I'll have you do. Is it Kelly? Is that the name?
Mm-hmm.
Kelly. Can you step out of the car for a minute?
Upon making contact, he immediately observed indicators of impairment and noticed that both passenger side tires were flat. He also noticed that both passenger side rims were dented, and he asked her if she had hit anything, but she denied hitting anything. He radioed for additional officers to respond to the scene and began his DUI investigation. Deputy Peterson asked Kelly for her phone number, but she was incoherent and unable to provide it. As he was speaking with her, he observed indicators of impairment and detected the odor of alcohol. Kelly told the officer that she was coming from a club called Room 22 in Orlando and admitted to consuming alcohol earlier that evening. Based on his suspicion of impairment, Deputy Peterson asked Kelly to exit the vehicle and perform field sobriety exercises.
And just come right back here.
You can have it.
Okay, here, come here. Alright, so... Do you have a red pen or no?
You have red pen?
No.
That's alright. Maybe since...
I already know it. Like, you're trying to tell me, understand, like, the whole... I can't do the whole...
Okay, well,
I can't do that, because you're not telling me other shit.
Well, how much have you had to drink tonight? Because I smell the alcohol coming from you.
So, I'm being honest with you.
Be honest, that's all I
I
ask. Please.
I'm going to let a heartbreak right now.
I understand that. That's
Yeah,
hard.
let me ask.
So how much did you drink then to get over the heartbreak?
2%.
How much? 2%.
Yeah, end of the day, I'm home end of the day.
Okay, so did you have beer or liquor or vodka or
No, beer.
or wine?
Yeah.
Beers? What kind of beers?
Like, the beer I was drinking was more so like the hard liquor, the beer, it was more so. I used to work there.
It's where you work? Or
Yeah.
you used to?
No, I do.
Where is that?
Downtown.
Downtown where? What's the place? What's the name of it?
Room 22.
Room 22?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you were saying, 22.
Yeah.
I got you. Alright. How many beers did you have?
Only one.
Just one beer? How many liquors did you have?
One.
One liquor?
Only shots. They tell me to take a shot. I take a shot.
So how many times did they tell you to take a shot tonight? Do you remember?
One.
Just one?
Yeah.
So,
I
okay.
told him I want to go home.
Okay, and you told me when to go home. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Oh, thank you. Alright. Are you able to see that red light? Okay. So here's what I want you to do. Step away from the car a little bit. Stand with your feet together. Arms at the side like this. Alright. Then keep them at your side. So you can see this?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Now, do you wear glasses or contacts?
I do. Yeah.
Do you have contacts? Yeah. Keep your feet together. Are you wearing your contacts right now?
No.
Okay. And then, are you on any medications?
No.
Okay. Do you have any other physical or mental diagnoses? Anything like that?
No.
Alright, so you can see this?
Yeah.
Okay, so again, feet together, arms to your side, your arms to your side. Okay, there you go. Alright, try to hold that. Now, focus on this. I'm gonna follow it with your eyes only, okay? So, keep your head still, follow it with your eyes only, okay? Keep watching. Okay, try to keep your arms at your side. You're doing good. Okay, we're gonna go up. Go up one more time. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, so Kelly, I'm gonna have you come to this line right here. Facing this way. Okay, can you see that line?
Yeah.
Here, come back, come back. Right here, just go near the start of the line, right behind you. Okay. So,
Before you start, would you like shoes on? Do you feel more comfortable with shoes? No? And do you feel like this ground is pretty level? Okay.
so can you stand place one foot on the line, and then
Fine.
yep, and then your other foot in front, touching heel to toe with your arms to your side. Can you try that real quick?
Yeah.
Here, try it right now, and try to maintain that position. No, don't start the exercise till we're
Connie just said it.
No, I want you to stand like this first.
Just exactly what she's doing.
See? Okay.
One foot in front of the other.
Left foot. Yep.
Your 2 feet are touching. The heels are touching. To have. Don't go over, right?
I am trying to figure out.
Okay. Alright, so you want to have your right foot and your left foot touching, just like that.
Yep.
See that?
See?
Yeah. Can you do that?
You put heel to toe. You touch heel to toe, and hold it.
Can you not do that? Can you not put...
No, I can't have anything.
Okay.
You gonna try it? Take your time. Just like this.
that?
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, so stand like that. Hands to your side. She's going to explain the directions.
Alright.
Put your hands down by your side.
Okay.
Alright, straight by your
You
side.
understand what we're saying, right? Okay. Alright. So, just hold that position, and then I'll tell you, don't start until I finish the instructions, okay? Don't start the exercise till I finish, alright? So when I tell you to start, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, turn, take 9 heel-to-toe steps back, okay? So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9, okay? When you reach your 9th step, you're going to take you're going to keep your lead foot on the line, and you're going to turn by taking a series of small steps, like this, to the outside. See, a series of small steps.
Yeah.
Then you come back.
To my left, though, right?
Whatever your lead foot is on, wherever your lead foot is, you go around your lead foot, okay? Okay? And then while you're walking, you're going to keep your arms to your side, okay? You're going to watch your feet at all times, and you're going to count your steps out loud, just like I was doing. 1, 2, 3. But you're going to go all the way to 9. Series of small steps.
9 and turn.
And then come back. Okay?
9 turn, right?
Yes. And then once you start going, don't stop until you finish the whole thing.
Okay.
Okay? Do you understand all that?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? This is the starting position, right? Left foot on the line with your right foot in front, touching heel to toe. Okay, are you ready? Okay, when you're ready, complete the exercise. When you're ready. Go ahead.
That's why the car turned off. It was in reverse. Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Done? Okay, so we're going to do another exercise. It's called the one-leg stand. Okay? So on this one,
Wait, I can't. I'm trying to understand where I'm coming from, but like, my brother has to understand where I'm coming from.
I'm sure he does.
No, he doesn't.
No?
No.
Well,
I'm telling you right now, like, he thinks I'm innocent right now, so like, right now, I need him to understand it.
well, he's family. He'll
No, he's
forgive
not.
you. He'll forgive you.
No, he's not.
Okay.
No, me, Dad, he's not.
Okay. But he'll forgive you if he cares about you, right? Okay.
So
We'll worry about that. We'll worry about that's in the
Nobody has to
future.
remember.
Well, that's in the future. Let's worry about the present real quick, and we'll get through this together, okay?
There's nothing else
So-
in the future because I don't remember shit.
Okay.
Oh, no.
So here's this one. It's called the one-leg stand.
Okay.
You're gonna stand with your feet together and your arms to your sides once again. Okay. Just like this. Okay. Don't start the exercise until I tell you to. Okay. Do you understand?
Or my feet down.
Right. But let me get through the instructions. Don't start till I finish. Okay. Do you
Okay.
understand that? All right. So when I tell you to start, you're gonna raise either leg with your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your foot parallel to the ground.
Okay,
So
but listen to me.
it's like
How the fuck is almost 6 inches?
it's like this. See how my foot's parallel to the ground, about 6 inches high, one leg, whichever leg is more comfortable for you. And
Yeah, but I can't hold the whole same thing.
okay, well it's not pass or fail. Okay.
No, it is though.
Just do your best. Okay?
Okay, but I'm
let me-
saying that it is though.
No, it's
It is,
it's just an
though.
assessment, okay? So with that being said, okay, you're gonna lift your leg like I showed you. You're gonna keep both legs straight, keep your arms at your sides. While holding the position, you're gonna count out loud in the following manner.
Okay.
1001, 1002, 1003. Okay, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Okay? You're gonna keep your arms at your side the whole time. You're gonna keep watching your raised foot. You're going to keep your eyes on your foot, okay? So again, I'll demonstrate one more time. It's going to be like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and you just keep counting, and I'll tell you when to stop. Okay? If you happen to put your foot down like this, just pick it back up and continue counting where you left off.
Okay.
Okay? Do you understand all that? Mm-hmm. Alright, so let's get in the starting position. Feet together, arms to your side.
It can't be in the car.
Oh, we'll leave your car alone for now because it has flat tires.
Barely.
That's alright. We'll get to it.
I'm saying like barely that.
Okay, so...
Can't be in my car next to it.
No, not right now. Let's finish this and we'll get to that. Okay? You ready? That looks kind of uneven. Why don't you come back over here? Because it's got an extra.
Even. No,
it's got extra paving going on there. Okay. Does that feel better?
No.
Okay. You ready? All right. When you're ready, raise your foot and start counting like I instructed.
No.
Where you going? Where you going? Just stay over there. No. Stay there with her.
Okay. Try it again. You want to try it again?
Over here, man. Back on this line.
No, I don't know what line.
This line, right here, this yellow line.
Yeah.
There you go, right there.
Yeah, don't go over here because it's like kind of bumpy over there. There we go. Okay, you want to try it again? You ready?
No.
Okay. Remember the instructions?
You're right here and not over there.
Right, but you're gonna keep your arms to your side, raise one foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're gonna tell me something?
No.
Oh, then what are you doing?
I'm trying to be adjusted.
Okay, so you're gonna do it this way?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready?
Because right here, I can't do it.
Okay, you can do it there?
Okay.
Alright, try it.
Wait, like, how long from my feet?
You're gonna keep counting out loud. 1001, 1002,
I can do
1003. It'll be approximately 30 seconds, so just do your best. Ready? Ready? You started? Okay, go.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1009. It's not. The reason I can do shit because I fuck with my man. So yeah, it's not.
Okay, that was 30 seconds, okay?
Deputy Peterson started with the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. The second exercise was the walk and turn test. During the walk and turn test, Kelly failed to touch heel to toe on each step and took an incorrect number of steps. The final exercise was the one-leg stand test. During the one-leg stand test, Kelly failed to raise her foot in the proper fashion and did not keep her arms at her sides.
It's my brother.
Alright, Kelly. I'm gonna place you under arrest for suspicion of DUI, driving under the influence.
Do you have some shoes in the vehicle you can put on? Nothing? There's shoes in the front seat if you want. So just grab them.
Can you call my brother though?
Don't.
Can we call my brother for a second?
Oh, we'll get to that, yeah. Let me get these on first so they're not too tight.
Okay.
I'm gonna put
We'll grab your
palm
phone and
outward.
stuff.
Put your palm outward like that.
Come on this way.
Based on the damages to her vehicle, her admission to consuming alcohol, and her inability to adequately perform the field sobriety exercises, Deputy Peterson placed Kelly under arrest for driving under the influence. Kelly was transported to the John E. Polk Correctional Facility for further processing. She agreed to submit breath samples, and the results indicated a BAC level of 0.25%, which was over triple the legal limit of 0.08%. Kelly was charged with a DUI and eventually transported to HCA Lake Monroe Hospital for further evaluation, given her BAC level.